talk between Lomov and Natalia. Natalia comes and asks Lomov why he had not come there for a long time. She informs Lomov about the harvest. She asks him why he was dressed in an evening dress and inquired if he was going to a ball. Before Lomov told Natalia his purpose for the visit, they were off the point. He starts telling her that he has known his family for a very long time. He also tells her how he inherited his land and how he respects her father. He tells Natalia that his oxen meadows touch Natalia's birchwood. On hearing this, Natalia says that the oxen meadows are theirs. Argument regarding land ownership. Natalia gets serious and tells him that oxen meadows do not belong to him. They actually belong to them. Lomov clarifies that he is talking about the oxen meadows that are between her birchwoods and burnt marsh. Natalia insists that they are theirs. Lomov refuses it. He tells her that his aunt's grandmother gave those meadows to her father's grandfather. The peasants used the land for 40 years. Argument continues between Natalia and Lomov. Natalia refuses and sticks on her point that those meadows are theirs. Lomov, on the other hand, says that he has the documents to prove that it is his land. Natalia tells him that they had that land for nearly 300 years now. Both of them continue fighting over the ownership of the land. Lomov offers to make a present of them to Natalia. She also says that she can make a present of them to him. They start shouting at each other. Chubukov takes Natalia's side. Chubukov also enters the room. Natalia asks him to tell Lomov that the oxen meadows are owned by them. Chubukov also supports Natalia and regards the meadows as theirs. Lomov refuses. Chubukov says that by shouting, Lomov cannot prove that the oxen meadows are owned by him. Chubukov excuses Lomov by saying that he cannot talk to him so disrespectfully as he is twice of his age. Lomov says that he is calling his land as his and wants him to speak to him politely. He calls Chubukov a land grabber. Lomov threatens that he would take Chubukov to the court. A lot of abuses are exchanged between them. Chubukov says that Lomov's grandfather was a drunkard. His younger aunt Nastasia ran away with an architect. Lomov felt that he was dying, so he could not say anything at that time. Natalia also calls Lomov a rascal. Chubukov calls him a villain and a scarecrow. He also calls him a monster who has the courage to propose.